So we're performing a marriage ceremony upstairs here for some people from the East and the Far East. And when I ask about the Mahr, you know the Mahr is that gift or, well, gift is not the right word because the gift is more or less an optional thing, but the Mahr is a mandatory thing as part of the marriage ceremony that a husband must give the wife. So I asked the person, what are you going to give the bride today? He said, $1. I said, $1? Come on, you can't do that. That is below expectation from the Islamic law. If you don't have anything, well, that's okay, but you're a very wealthy person. He said, well, it's our tradition that we only give $1. I'm like, what am I hearing? Tradition? Whose tradition? The Quran? The teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him? No. So it's just our culture. He said, but you know, that's what I give today, but I promised to give 100,000. Muakhar. Later on, if anything has to happen. But why do you have to wait for something to happen? Why do you have to wait for there to be a divorce before you give your 100,000? Do you just have this marriage pending because you got to give 100,000? We lose the whole objective and the purpose of the Islamic laws and how Islam has designed these laws. That the woman should be given her gift. It's her choice to say no or yes. Or how much. Not the man's choice. The groom does not have that prerogative. See there, he gets married or not, but it's her choice. And decision to say, I accept or I don't accept. So when the qadi or the sheikh or the imam performs the marriage ceremony, he will ask the bride, do you accept brother such and such or Mr. so and so to be your husband in the eyes of God, in the presence of the witnesses? And do you agree to accept the mahr that he gives you? It's her choice. It's not the choice of the man to give $1. Serious disease in the community.